Public health inspectors, hotel employees, and stakeholders have spent the last 2 days prepping to sit an exam to obtain a certificate in advanced food safety training, learning about the contingency and containment plans on how to prevent outbreaks of foodborne illnesses that could potentially harm the tourism industry. The Ministry of Health and Wellness has been working with CARFA in the past year on enhancing aspects of tourism and health, both on the ground and when clearing cruise ships.
So we have two simultaneous trainings happening this week with the CARFA team that came in from Trinidad. We have a training for cruise ship vessel clearance, and we are implementing a digital system which will make it much easier and more streamlined for ships to get their clearance for docking in Belize. And we also are doing an advanced food safety training. And in this advanced food safety training, this is a 5-year internationally recognized certification. And what we're doing is we're training both our public health inspectors, and we're invited industry to come as well. So what we're trying to do is across the board, we're trying to make tourism safer for Belize. We're trying to make the food industry safer in Belize to prevent outbreaks of foodborne illnesses, diarrhea, vomiting, those types of situations, and to increase the surveillance for our visitors that come, that if anything comes, that we can have a response very early on to avoid it from spreading outside of that location or to avoid it from spreading into our local population.
Seeing how important the tourism industry is within the Caribbean, CARFA has designed a program to ensure that industry professionals are prepared and well informed on how they can respond to and prevent outbreaks.
Right, so CAFA is the Caribbean Public Health Agency. So we are a regional public health agency that is mandated by heads of government to provide technical support to countries towards advancing, promoting health, preventing, disease spread, outbreaks, and so on. Belize is one of our 26 countries. So over the last CAFA is about 14 years old. So with what we work directly with countries is providing that technical support for overall in terms of surveillance, outbreak response, emergency, building their capacity. So in this particular trip today, this week, we're all about advancing different capacities in Belize. One, in food safety, because of course that's so important. The training, that is not just about training, but it's an advanced training, but allows for international certification. So it means Belize gets on the map, in terms of persons certified against international requirements. The other is all about surveillance, cruise ship surveillance, making sure it can be done faster. So if you do it faster, it means that your tourism product is protected, as well as mass gatherings surveillance, which is for events. And Belize has a lot of nice events, but you want to ensure that persons are not getting sick, or if somebody gets sick, it's responded to quickly.
Jo Marie Lanza, 7 News.